Carlton Marsh today, a nature reserve in Suffolk in the United Kingdom. And what a view here of the flatlands. There's some swans over there, and it's just a gorgeous scene. Bit of a blow, but we're going to walk out along as far as the river, I think. So thank you for watching, liking, sharing and ringing a bell, and a special thank you for those who have subscribed. So bye for now. Irene's getting directions from somebody. Yeah, it's a beautiful day, but it's blowing a bit, and I hope the foam on top of the mic is stopping the wind sound, because it really is blowing quite a bit. But we're off out here. Somebody said this was the River Waveney, but I can't see how it is because it's got blockages all the way, and the River Waveney goes all the way up to Beccles from Lowestoft, so I can't really see that as. But here are the wonderful lakes for the birds to come on. I can't see any waders over there at the moment, but if you're in the area and you're a twitcher, this is the place. They've got Chinese water deer here. They've also got a marsh harrier, apparently been seen today. I've not seen, only swans so far and seagulls, so, but then I don't have the binoculars with me because we left them in the car. So there we go. So now, yeah, lots of water everywhere because these are indeed marshes. So Irene's got all the details. She now knows where she's going. I wish I knew where I was going. So it's the Rambling Rambler, Dave to his friends, rambling as usual, rambling and rambling. Well, I hope wherever you are in this great big world of ours, you're safe and well, and we'll travel onwards. A lot of this is very, very similar. I was going to start filming earlier, but it just looks like everywhere else. So it's the flatlands, you know, this is Suffolk, and there's some lots and lots of flat marshes here. Must be below the water table virtually, almost, because you can see that there's water all in between here, but some of those must have been, well, might have been channeled out for the reserve. So it might have been a deliberate ploy to get the waders in. So now apparently, if this is the River Waveney, I can't, maybe it's just a tributary and they're called it the Waveney. A couple of swans and a couple of seagulls over there. Don't know if you can see them. Swans are fairly obvious, but we'll go. As the gentleman explained where we're going. Oh. Oh, right. It's best not to go. Right, well, I hadn't planned on mud paddling today. I'm not a wader. Yes, I thought you did from the. Oh, can you? I didn't think you could. When I looked at the map, I thought it was out and back. But there we are. It's a lovely scene, isn't it? Out on Carlton Marsh. What is it? What marsh is it? Carlton Marsh. Yeah, that's what we're on. Carlton Marsh. So. Oh dear. Too deep. What's he seen this morning? Did he say what birds? I wondered if he saw the marsh harriers, because they were spotted today, but I've seen nothing big flying. Only the seagulls. The seagulls. Well, we're in for a good day. We're going for dinner around our friends today. So once we've been here, off we go round to our friends, and that'll be nice. Look forward to seeing Barbara, and we'll have a good catch up, and lunch as well. Can't be bad, can it? There's some swannies going over. Biggest thing I've seen flying today. Can you see the 3 swans about gone now behind the trees? There's a lot of birds over there, but I rather suspect they are seagulls as well. Maybe the waders will come back in the evening. Possibly, yeah. Yeah, when we were in India we had to go out early morning to see the birds. So yes, you're probably right. I don't know. It was 5:30 I was getting up in India to start at 5. But then I did film some beautiful animals, including hornbills. So, hello. What sort of waders are they? Those brown and white ones. Are they cow waders, aren't they? I am hoping that behind these little trees here is the real River Waveney, because this isn't the River Waveney, is it? That bit that goes, it should go all the way to bed. It's just a tributary, isn't it? Probably they're allowed to call the tributaries Waveney as well. I don't know. How would I know? I'm just an idiot. Right. I tell you what I should thank you for. I've had some really lovely comments of late. Please feel free if I've got some facts wrong, and don't mean opinions. I mean if I've misnamed a bird or a town or something, or somebody's given me duff information like that building's coming down, and then I find from one of my subscribers that it's not coming down. It's thank you very much for all the info. So we are nearly. There's the cows, look at them. The moo cows. Yeah, I speak fluent cow, you probably didn't know. Oh dear. Let's have a look back on where we've come. Right along there, we were way over there. Whoa. Well, I think we'll call it a day here. We're looking out on this lovely scene here. So thank you for watching. This is the Rambling Rambler, Dave to his friends on Carlton Marsh. I can see an egret. Mid-screen I can see an egret. So bye for now. There is the egret. Look at him. Yes. Well, we've seen something other than a swan. Fabulous. So bye for now.